anywhere. You can have fun anywhere. That's what it's all about. It's about having a laugh. But Dills, we have a bit of an announcement to make, don't we?
Yeah.
Tonight at 6 p.m. we're doing. Anybody watching by Shonny, or am I talking to myself?
115.
Ooh, hello, 115 of you. Tonight at 6 p.m. we're making an announcement, Dills, aren't we?
Yeah.
On a Facebook Live for tomorrow morning cook along. Okay? Are you ready? But there's a twist. What's the twist, Dills?
No mothers allowed.
You can't say something like that. He's right. No mothers allowed tomorrow morning for our cook along at 11 o'clock. It's just dads and kids, and we'll know. This guy can see stuff. We'll know if the moms are in the room watching. There's no moms allowed, and all will be revealed why later. So tonight at 6 p.m. there's no moms allowed either, and tomorrow at 11 a.m. there's no moms allowed. Okay, it's a big thing we're working on. See, Dills, look, listen. I'm in, Shonny. It's the Sizzle Dance. Give me something. Give me something. Something. So look how easy it is to cook, guys. We have our sausages frying away. We're just gonna cut a little bit of a bread in the boot of the car. Who thought you can have lunch from the boot of your car? Dills, you're on ketchup duties. Any comments coming in, Shonny? Anybody saying anything?
Nikki is saying she'll miss out.
Yeah. Don't worry, Nikki. In the long run, you're not gonna miss out on anything. Trust me. There's a reason there's no mums allowed. Okay. So a little bit of butter. Dills, you know that ketchup duty that you're on that you're not doing? Okay. A little bit of sizzle. Ooh, the sizzle dance. I hope all the kids are getting used to the sizzle dance, guys. Let's go. Show everybody. Not too much. Beautiful. Lovely jubbly. Number 2. That's what we're doing, guys. You know what I did today? Seeing as I have become first the leaks, now the ketchup into my car. I have become the self-appointed dictator of the Trevo household. I abolished school today. Normally we're doing schoolwork every day. I said, lads, you know what? Sun is shining. School is abolished for today only. So look what we did instead. We're frying off our saucies. Don't forget, 6 p.m. tonight, guys. Our Facebook Live. Is he using his fingers? This is a, what is it, Dills?
No moan zone.
A no moan zone. I am using my fingers, and I'm cooking in the boot of my car. Number 1. Number 2 for me. 6 o'clock tonight. Facebook Live. Who's not allowed to come, Dills?
Mothers.
No mothers allowed. This one's for me. I'm gonna have to say goodbye now, guys, because I have to make one for Sean. Give him one last look at the amazing scenery. 6 p.m. tonight, guys. It's the incredible announcement of what our Cook Along Live tomorrow morning is at 11 o'clock. I'll tell you all the ingredients. I'll tell you exactly what we're doing. Dills, they can't see you over there. One last chance. It's the Sizzle Dance. I'll get them to do it yet. See you tonight at 6. No mums! No mums tonight. Dads and kids only. And maybe grandparents and big brothers and sisters. But no mums. See you tonight at 6.
Bye.